Call unto me, and I will answer thee, and show thee great and mighty things which thou knowest not. Jeremiah 33 and verse 3.
Hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this gorgeous 8-inch bob water wave unit that I got from Tinashe Hair company. So this is their 8-inch 180% density 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. This wig is in 8 inches. They also have 10 inches as well, so I'll leave all the information for this wig in my description bar down below if you are interested in purchasing it. So this unit is gorgeous, you guys. It's definitely giving. So if you are interested in that kind of content, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So let's jump right into the installation process of this 8-inch water wave bob unit from Tinashe Hair company.
So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with Tinashe Hair company. They were gracious enough to send me over their 8-inch bob water wave unit in the density of 180%. So this unit is a 13 by 4 lace frontal unit. So a bit about the inside cap construction of this unit. It has 3 combs behind of the lace, one to the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps so you can adjust your wig to your particular liking. So I went ahead to bleach the knots on the wig before the installation process. So along with the unit, they did send me over a pouch with goodies. So I received a hair bonnet, some eyelashes, 2 pair of clamp clips, along with some other goodies. I received an edge brush, a rat tail comb, and their hair care instructions. So let's jump right into the installation process of this unit.
The wig that I'm going to be installing today is in collaboration with Tinashe Hair. They were gracious enough to send me over their 8-inch water wave curly bob wig unit in this box right here. This is their 8-inch water wave wig. So this is how it looks. I already went ahead to do my ball cap method. So I'm just gonna be using my God and Grip primer from Esha Girl. So this is the primer right here. And normally when I'm doing my installs, if I do wear makeup, I don't put makeup here.
So when I'm done applying my Esha Girl primer, I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Contour palette just to tint the inside of the lace, and then I'm going in with my Esha Lace spray just to spray that, and I'm going to take my blow dryer to set everything.
So this is how the wig looks.
So when I have everything lined up how I want it to go, I'm just going ahead to cut off the extra lace, the front portion of this wig, and I'm also going to be cutting the lace around my ear tabs areas as well. And when I'm done doing that, I'm going to cut the lace into 4 smaller sections to the front portion.
So I went ahead to cut it down in 4 sections. And it's time for me to begin the gluing my Esha glue today to do this install. I'm going to be doing about probably 3 layers.
So I went ahead to apply about 3 to 4 layers of this Esha Girl today for extra hold. So I'm going to apply the first layer, and then I'm going to just blow dry that and let everything set, and then I'm going back over with another layer of this Esha Girl glue.
Okay, so once I'm done with all the layers, I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry that until it's dry.
So once the last layer of glue is dried, I'm just going to pull the lace onto the glue, and I'm just using my rat tail comb just to press the lace into the glue.
And where you can see the glue, what I like to do, I like to go in with my Black Opal foundation and put it in the areas where you can a little bit goes a long way, you guys. So once I have everything the way I want it to, I'm just gonna tie it down. I'm gonna leave it to set, because sometimes when I put the spray on, it actually lifts the wig. So I'm gonna just leave this to set for a while, and I'm just gonna work on where I'm gonna be parting out this wig, the direction I want it, and then I'm going in with my mousse just to, you know, sleek it down a bit. So I'm going ahead to cut off the extra lace to the front portion.
So once I'm done cutting off the extra lace to the front portion of this unit, I'm just gonna further melt everything in place using my Esha Girl lace spray, and then I'm going over that with my blow dryer. And then I went in to melt the lace a bit more with my elastic band. So now I'm going to be taking my Murray's Australian beeswax just to put that to the top portion of this unit so that the top portion could be as flat as possible. I went in back and forth with my Murray's Australian beeswax and my wax stick that I got from Wig Dealer. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to be starting to work on my baby hairs. So I'm just parting out the section of hair to the front, which I'm going to be using to create my baby hairs. So once I have curly units in, I like to do my dramatic baby hairs effect. So I'm just going in with my scissors just to cut down that. So I'm going in with my black opal foundation where any glue is showing. So today, to lay my baby hairs per usual, I'm using my Holy Grail, my Gorilla Snot gel in punk. So I'm just going to be working on finessing my baby hairs. So when I'm working on my baby hairs, what I like to do, I like to cut the baby hairs not too short. So if I have to go back in with my scissors just to clean up any sort of hair that I don't need, I go back and forth doing that instead of cutting the baby hairs a bit too short and not having enough hair to work with. So it's all about the motion in your fingers when it comes to laying your edges. So I'm just gonna work on swooping my baby hairs in the direction how I want them to go until I'm satisfied with how they are laid.
So I'm done with my
So once I've completed my edges, I'm going in with my Isoplus hair sheen just to spray the top portion so that it could add a bit of shine and luster to this unit. And then I'm going over with my thermal hot comb just to make sure the top portion is as flat as possible. So I'm just going to continue to work on that until everything is as sleek as I want it.
So I'm just going to make sure that the hair is as sleek as possible. I'm going in with my beeswax per usual. And then I go over with my wax stick. Going in with my mousse.
So I'm now going in with my Esha Girl mousse just to define the curls on this unit a bit. So I'm just going to be focusing the mousse mainly to the end of the wig. until all the curls is as defined as possible. So I'm taking my hands just to crimp up the ends of the wig so that it could be more curly to the end. So I'm just working on that. So once I'm finished defining the curls on this unit using my Esha Girl hair mousse, I'm going in with my Isoplus hair sheen again just to add more shine and luster to this unit. And then I'm going to be taking my Black Radiance True Contour palette. This is the powder palette, and I'm taking the powder just to put it into the parting space of this unit so that it could define the parting space a bit more. So after I'm done doing that and the hair is looking fly, you guys, I'm going back in to add a little bit more of the Isoplus, and then to complete the installation process, just to tame the flyaways to the top portion, I went back in with a little bit of hair mousse again. So that concludes the installation process of this 8-inch bob curly water wave unit from Tinashe Hair Company.
You guys, this is the end result of this bob unit from Tinashe Hair Company. It is life, you guys. This unit is bomb.com. So a bit about this wig. This is their 8-inch 13x4 lace frontal unit, and this is in 180% density. And they also have 10 inches as well. So I'm currently rocking the 8-inch, and you can get it also in a T-part unit if you're not interested in getting the 13x4 lace frontal. And this wig, you guys, retail for $124.95 on their website. So I'll leave all the information for Tinashe Hair Company in my description bar down below, as well as the link for this wig. I did went ahead to bleach the knot on this unit as well. I got minimal to little shredding when I went in to pluck the lace on this unit. So if I have to rate this unit out of 10, I'll definitely give it a 10 out of 10. Again, I'll leave all the information for this unit in my description bar down below, as well as a discount code so you can save some money off of your purchase. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this installation process of this 8-inch water wave unit from Tinashe Hair. So until next time, always remember to put God first in everything that you do, and see you in my next video. God bless.